Hello. All right. So market's about to open in 15 minutes. This is my my P&L for this week. Gotta call it P&L calendar actually. Alright, so this is my P&L calendar. So and that's tracking this account here. So I started tracking this account from April 1st. So basically this trading week, weekly forecast. I didn't do this, but it's starting from this week. So at plus 62.5. I didn't really show here what the win was, but I can do that easily now by just having it like a win here. And then why did I take this trade? What did I learn? And then P&L, price action is choppy, alright, good. Risk is percentage, so it's going to be percentage wise, so 1%. Time zone is going to be New York, Asia, London. RR is going to be like a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, or it's like a 1 to 5 or 1.25, I don't know. Time frame entry, the time frames where I entered on. And then high impact news folder. Did we have high impact news that day? So that day, like today, I'm gonna probably take a trade, or we'll see if we take a trade. Yesterday I took no trade. That's how I can fill it in. So that's basically what I did here with this P&L calendar. I think it's pretty cool and it works really well. So I'm gonna use this just for tracking my trades. And then I did that through properties there, because you could just do this here. And then it's always these two, but if I want to see, I can look at the whole month and look from like on what days did I lose and what time zone did I take it. So if I take it all in London and you see like all London trades were like losers, then I'll probably adjust to do that. So it's pretty cool. I think it will work really well. So maybe I can make a template out of this that maybe people wanna have it and want to implement in their own trading. But so yesterday I took no trades. So Monday I took a small win. We had news there. I didn't fill this in because I created this yesterday with all these extras. So I know that we had news on Monday, and then Friday was Good Friday previous week. So I think. And Monday had high impact news, so I think Monday wanted to catch up what Friday wasn't able to do. So I took a small trade on there, basically break even. And then I took a loss yesterday. It's not even a big loss. It's like it actually is. What is it? Oh, it's actually a really small loss. It's like a 0.4% loss, 0.3% loss, maybe even less. And then yesterday I took no trades, so I'm actually really glad that I am not. I haven't taken any trades yesterday. Pretty glad with that, or pretty happy about that, because that means that I know that I'm looking for something, and that means that the thing that I was looking for wasn't showing itself in the chart. So that means that I'm following my trading plan, and that's actually a good thing. So no trades there. And then Thursday, that's the day, and we'll see what the day brings. And then tomorrow we have NFP, and this is the day that can cause some reverse price action. I've seen that a lot before, and that caused a lot of frustration. I don't even know if you can see it here anymore. I think it actually was here, maybe even somewhere. I think it was like right here. We had perfectly equal lows somewhere. I don't even know where it was, but we had like perfectly equal lows somewhere. We didn't take them out, and then I saw that YM took them out, and I never look at YM, but only on this day then I look at YM. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm doing that for like the past couple months. You have like NFP once a month. So but today is the day that I look at NQ, ES, YM, and DXY. And DXY, I just look at this like I look at like the hour, 4 hour, the 50 minutes, the hour, and the 4 hour. And I look at like a longer term, not really long term, but I look at the sell side liquidity pools or PD raise and From there, I just know the XY wants to go lower into sell side here. That's why I marked out, so I don't have to look at the XY. So on my second monitor, I have YM set up, and how I look at YM is I just zoom it out. I don't do anything with it, and I look at the 50-minute. So if there are like liquidity pools or anything, I just look at YM. I have it at the 50-minute like this. I just look at it like this. So today is gonna be a day that I have to be careful and cautious. So, but my buys for this day, I thought that we wanted to head lower after this, but didn't really make sense for me for us to just go lower after this. I know that from April 1st that there was like a market maker buy model inside of here, but we never got those. So if I look at this here, yeah, that's here on ES. So there we create equal highs there. And if I look at YM, then I don't even have to look at YM. YM is way weaker, and that's all the way up there. So I don't think YM is going to go all the way up there. But as you can see in YM as well, we left perfectly equal highs, or we left equal highs at least. So yeah. So that's my target for today. And I don't think actually we'll take out the all-time highs again, because we already have an SMT, and then ES is holding a breaker. And I think that ES wants to continue to hold this breaker. Even though we have this pattern, yes, but I do think that ES wants to hold this breaker. You have a big bullish candle, and we have a lot of sell side resting. So I don't think we want to go way higher. So where I think ES could go to is somewhere inside of this CB, maybe even if we want to tap that rejection block. I think that's already too high, but could be. And then where NQ could go, yeah, could go to that rejection block, because I think that NQ wants to go higher here, I think, because we want to go for the buy side there, and then go for buy side there, and tap constant encroachment there. So I think that's what we want to do. So yeah, we'll see. We have all this liquidity here, but I think we just want to be bullish right now. We're just inside of this big range, but it's pre-market and we already have a big range, so I don't think the EPM session is actually going to be great. We don't have any other high impact news. We only had the ADP non-farm employment, which is like the what was it? It's like the not actual numbers, but it's a what's the word for it? It's like a folder which they think it's gonna happen. They think it's gonna be like that. That's like not the official numbers. It's from, I don't know who is actually doing this, but I don't know who is actually is doing this, but it's doing it over like a larger scale, so it get like a good view of how big the number is gonna be. But this is the actual number, where it's all about. So that was yesterday, and then today we had unemployment claims at 8:30. Nothing too crazy, bullish news for indices. But yeah, big range here, and I always look at this like a singular Freud gap. So if I look at this range here, we have two 50-minute BISTs here. So I wait for this candle to close, which is market open. Then I expect us to tap inside this BIST and actually go higher. I don't expect a real big retracement. I don't even expect equilibrium actually. So it's gonna be equilibrium is actually like, I don't even know here actually. Like it's from this range, I think that's equilibrium. Pick the highest one if you have this one, and then your equilibrium is a bit higher than. So yeah, from right here, I don't even expect equilibrium to go here. I'll just zoom in after we tap this BIST. Let's look at ES though. Yeah, ES also singular BIST here. Actually, yeah. All right, so I look at this range here. On yes, and I look at this as like liquidity here. So I want to see us step inside of that BIST here, and then we take out this liquidity here. Basically, this is what I think will happen. So you have like a small Judas swing, bring us lower, create equal highs, go lower, fake swing to the upside, turtle soup, and then we actually go. I think that's gonna happen. So I actually want to see us create buy side liquidity. And then I'm expecting buy side already equalize here and then constant encroachment. See if you have like a breaker inside of here. So we never took that low, so there's no breaker there. We do have a breaker here. So need 2 hour or 1 hour. So we have a A to B leg standard deviation. Projecting it now. Doesn't really come in line with anything. Mostly looking at the -2, -2.5. Does come to that low of that rejection block. I do think that that's gonna be a small speed bump there, but nothing too crazy. And then here, yeah, nothing really. All-time highs there, but I don't think that will happen. But it could be. I don't know. But then I'm looking at this standard deviation. That's gonna be targeting -3.5 there. And then yes, that's perfect, which I actually want to see. So that's -2, -2, -2.5. Let's see. But I don't really expect good price action because we're already ran a lot in Asian session. Where is it? Year to year. I don't even know what this was. Year to year. And London was consolidating and we're just pushing up again. We left equal lows as well, I think, here. Yeah, we left sell side there, just a failure swing low. So just waiting. So market opened. See it push lower or push higher, that we have generate sell side. So we do have these perfectly equal lows. Let's actually get why I'm here. So lowers this liquidity here. So market already looking slow. Already a slow market. I was on NQ and ES. Or ES, both ES. Pushing higher, we did tap into that 30-minute there, just a tick. I said that I wanted to see not really fully balanced. Didn't even want to see equilibrium get tapped into, but I think that this is too little. Too little tap into there. So we did inverse this here, took out this low here. Really far off of each other. Like, we took out this low on ES now. That's nice. Should go lower. Yeah. Just in 1 minute. Crazy. So I do want to see this get a bit more balanced. So the XY is actually close to the target. Alright, nice. Still want to see this hold. Then we have a Sibby here and then a Sibby there also. I think that does want to bring us lower. So he has as a singular Sibby here. I think we do want to respect that. And then also on NQ. NQ has this Sibby here, and I think that we do want to respect that. So there, we tap it there. We do have an SMT there now. Or actually, I actually don't. I think we still want to go higher on ES. And then NQ also. I think we do gonna go above this higher. Yeah, I want to see an ES come up in here. There. Alright, maybe you can inverse this. This volume imbalance. So that's a nice reaction. Let's look at this volume imbalance here. Could be like a short there. And then stop us above here, but that doesn't mean that we can't come back here. I just don't want to see it. If we do, then there's still an opportunity to get short. But am I risking so much percent? Oh, crazy. Alright. So yeah, we did inverse this volume imbalance. This rejection block should hold. We could come up again and then turtle soup this, but I do think that we want to go lower. So maybe have an SMT here. Let's see. Let's look at NQ. Once this is fully closed, then we go below it, and that's balanced on NQ. Let's see here. We don't have an SMT, so I still think that we can come back here. Let's look at this leg here. We do have an SMT there. So let's look at this as a manipulation leg. So -1 standard deviation. And then I think these are too low. Oh, sorry. Here. Let's keep this on here. Alright, let's see this volume imbalance hold and spread us lower. Market conditions look really bad actually. If this doesn't plan out, if we consolidate around this area, then I think that the rest is gonna be pretty much a consolidation. This does look good now. So we did take out that low on NQ. Let's See if that holds. Should go lower. I'll adjust my stop here. This should act as an order block and support us lower, and then this volume balance should definitely hold us lower. So I'm looking at this here, and that candle as an order block. Should go lower here. Otherwise I reduce my risk. Let's put a tick above there. So there, that's what I meant. That's a volume balance still supporting it lower, hopefully there. We're already getting that reaction of 1NQ as well. That's nice. Let's see us close below that candle there. Because if we take out that low and then jump back inside of that range, I think that we're gonna consolidate also. So I want to take off half my position if we do that actually. So let's keep looking at that low there. I don't mind if we create perfectly equal lows, then I want to see reaction on the next candle. So also here. See what we do. Do we go straight through it once we reach this? Or do we go below and then jump back inside of the range? But yeah, these equal lows, that gives me a good good feeling that we want to go lower at least to these. Going higher here. Should reduce my just a tick below there. So on YM we're actually dropping way lower, but we're not really going to any liquidity points. So yeah, I do want to see these lows there. So that's volume imbalance again. Let's see it get respected. I don't care if we create perfectly equal highs here or do anything here. I just want to see this get respected. But yeah, we do have perfectly equal lows there, so I do think we're gonna come back there. Even though if I get stopped out, then that's fine. But I think we do want to go back there. Create perfectly equal highs. Reaction again. There we go, trading lower. Should go for these lows. These lows should be first instead of these. That's a nice reaction lower. Looks like we're consolidating a bit. So why I'm still looking at this candle here as my order block and not these candles inside of here is because this candle close below there. This should act as a rejection block, but we didn't close below here on this candle. If we did, then this would be the order block, these consecutive candles. But we closed below here, then create an up close candle, and then we went below this up close candle. So this confirms that this is a trailing state of delivery. This whole candle is actually an order block, so that's why we're holding there as well. So TP got hit there. So yeah, stop to break even. There's no need for me to hold it there, and that's full TP. So I do think that we want to go lower inside of this range. I don't know where, but -1 standard deviation got hit. Really don't know what's gonna happen now. It looks really bad actually. This look really bad. It does look like lower resistance liquidity on a smaller time frame, or first accumulation on a smaller time frame, and then lower resistance liquidity on a smaller time frame. That actually looks good for us to go higher in the future when we balance this range more, this busy. But nice trade overall, actually. So yeah, I think we do want to go higher, so I'll be watching this busy here, but I'll just be watching it on like a bigger time frame, because we first need to create more of a range here, because I don't think we're gonna go lower and tap inside this range and then randomly react off of anything here and just go lower. So we go lower and then go way higher. I wanna see like a bit more structure here. So let's keep these standard deviations on. I don't think we're gonna go that low actually, but oh, actually this whole thing is a busy, so yeah, we could go here. -2, -2, 5 standard deviation could be a nice reversal there. Yeah, nice trade. I'll be waiting on the 10 AM candle opening. So this trade was 350, 352.50. I won't add that in my P&L calendar yet because I can still be trading trade. But now we're on this week, we're now break even off of yesterday, or no, 2 days ago. Yeah, nice trade. Was a, where did I enter? Oh, here of course. So I entered here, my stop was above there. Was a starting that low, not even a 1-to-1 there. Or was it not even a 1-to-1 here? This was a 1-to-1 here, and then I like run to this here. So it's basically like a 1-to-1. How many contracts did I risk? I'm at 21, so 262, and yeah, I got 350 out of that, so that's more than a 1-to-1. Bit more than a 1-to-1. Yeah, let's keep looking at this, and not really expecting anything. So a nice little trade there. Oh wait, that wasn't. So I think that's a 5-handle run there. Not even. Not even a 5-handle run, so really small scalp. Yeah, I think the AM session is just going to be a bit choppy inside of this range here, and then I think from PM session that's where we where we will run. But I will mark out the 10 a.m. opening. So 3 more minutes until 10 a.m. opening. And then I'm expecting the 4-hour candle to do something like this. So something like this. Something like that, a bullish candle there. Just small manipulation lower inside of that 30-minute busy. Then go higher to that buy side liquidity, tap constant encroachment, take out these equal highs, and then I think we do want to go lower from there. Let's look at DXY. So DXY, yeah, DXY took out this low here. I don't think this is going to be the bottom, of course. But we did take out that low, small manipulation next to the upside. Fill up that weekly imbalance a bit more. Maybe tap equilibrium, go a bit lower. That would come in line with what I want to see on the indices. Yeah, I think we want to go to equilibrium, not even optimal trade entry. And from there go higher, finish this market, make a buy model. And then go for the original consolidation there. The equal highs there, and then also buy side liquidity, which is a monthly CB. Yeah. So it is coming in line right now. Yeah, we're just creating the sell side of the curve. So I think we're just gonna have just like this here. You have this first consolidation, first accumulation, second accumulation. We're just making that now. From here go lower, then that's more reversal. So we're gonna be here and then run all these highs. Because we never took out, we left all these equal highs here. Like there. We never took out a single high there. So it's all low resistance liquidity. Let's see where the manipulation gonna be. Probably at 10 a.m. somewhere. So 10 a.m. opening is right there. Oops, mark it out there. Lock it. Mark it out there. Lock it there. Alright. So I think that 10 a.m. candle is gonna have, yeah, definitely we're gonna take out that low there. That's devil's mark there. Just run it lower, wick inside of that busy, and then it's over. We have no manipulation here on this 4-hour candle. No wick there. Oh, we do have a wick on the S though. But still. We shouldn't inverse this yet, in my opinion. Hopefully we don't yet, because I don't think that that we're gonna finish that market make a buy model right now. I think we want to respect it first, maybe take out the low here again, then turtle soup that maybe. Back at opening, that's devil's mark. We didn't get a wick out of there, so we immediately want to rebalance that. There's actually a smaller time frame. Turtle soup here. You have this liquidity pool, change the state of delivery somewhere there. It's probably a really nice trade on lower time frame. looks really bad. There's that respect of that Cibi still. Change state of delivery here. This candle here. This is the order block now. Should act as an order block. Should support price lower. Should respect that mean threshold. Yeah, beautiful. Here also. Should I get sword block? Did take it out there. So that means consolidation or go higher. But I think we still want to go lower, so let's see. Consolidating. So that macro is about to end as well. Didn't take out these highs, so we create more buy side liquidity here. Let's see if we leave them. I think we are going to, because I want to see lows first. So that would just be part of the market maker buy model. Just generate highs, then buy side there. See us not close this candle here or this gap here. Maybe there's a nice opportunity to go short there if we leave it. Really small gap here. I'm not taking that. That's too small to me. I was wanting to see market be in a hurry there. Let's see if we were in this trade. Let's see what would have happened. Maybe I can enter on these trades and stay with delivery, because it is balanced now. This balanced price range. Let's just go lower. Nice, looking good. Damn. Amazing. Also have an SMT between these highs. Maybe I'll enter on a retest of the mean threshold there. Let's see. So there it did take out that low there. Gonna reduce the size because we're already to get that low, so that would be lower probability if we tap it there, then go lower. Did create another Sibi though. Nah, I like that wick. Gotta remove that. That's mean threshold, there would be the entry. So I would have been tapped into here. I don't like these wicks though. Just step there and back inside of that range. Mean threshold is holding now. Did respect mean threshold there. These should be left actually. This is just another, if you look at it like this, consolidation 1, consolidation 2, go lower, we should go lower. Nice reaction off that mean threshold again. Beautiful, beautiful livery. Beautiful. Ooh, we are back inside of that range though. So same thing with this and this candle. Went beneath it, back inside of the range, mean threshold. Went beneath it, back inside of that range, tap mean threshold again. Let's see what we do. We should go lower though. If you just zoom out here, market maker buy model, just south side of the curve here. These should not be taken here. Alright, that's it. Did close above mean threshold there. So again, consolidation. That would have been the stop there. So nice by not taking that trade. But still, I think these highs are protected. So that's the actually. I would actually bet against it as well. 1 micro. Oh. I don't like that. Oops. There, 1 to 1. 1 micro. I would bet that we first take out these lows because it's a market maker sell model. Just zooming out. Not risking anything crazy. Tapping that BPR there. There we go. There we go. So now this low is not inevitable. Finally close below all those lows as well. Let's see it run below this low, like a big push actually. Taking way too long. There it is. There it is. Run lower. Go for that market make buy model. It's gonna be a real good setup forming in PM session. I'm gonna go off the shorts here, and I'll be back in PM session probably around 12, or like to 12:30 or